Hello sir, I'm Rupal from Industrial Electrical and we are obviously here for 7th edition of RENEWX. Let's start with the event only. What were your expectations from this mega event?
Well, our expectation was that we'll have a good interaction with all our stakeholders, whether they are our customers, our channel partners, distribution partners, vendors, and as of now, we've been having a nice interaction.
What kind of footfall you have gotten from here?
Well, the footfall, if you see overall footfall, it's been a little less than what was expected. But the good part is that whatever footfall we have had in our booth, at least, so they were all serious, people from the industry.
What are the new technology that you are working on currently?
Well, there are two new technologies which are going to come in later this year. One is the TopCon technology, and the other is the HJT, the heterojunction technology. So we have products for both these displayed at this expo. So we wanted it to showcase that we are working on it, and we'll be commercially launching both these technologies later this year.
Sir, we have seen so much buzz on net zero. What are your views on that?
Well, net zero is it's an important target and goal that we all must have as corporate citizens of this country and globally. And we are very much serious about it as a company, and we are working to.
Okay, so sir, my next question is related to that. What kind of challenges do you see in the market currently?
The challenges are the same everywhere. The price pressures are there, so competition is there. Cheap imports coming in from outside, so which has a big, challenge that we face currently. And plus, what we also look forward to is a long-term policy from the government.
If we talk about future, what are your plans for that?
Well, we have already announced as a company our future plans are to have 6 gigawatt of module manufacturing and 5 gigawatt of cell manufacturing by 2025.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your time.